Vodafone 511 Technical characteristics. About the device, Vodafone 511 is a mobile cell phone with dimensions of 106.9 by 46.3 by 10.9 mm, 4.21 by 1.82 by 0.43 in, a weight of 90 grams, a screen size of 1.77 inches, 19.9% screen-to-body ratio, and a screen resolution of 128 by 160 pixels, 116 pixel density. It has a processor 0 and an internal memory of 10 MB expandable by memory card microSD up to 2 GB, dedicated slot.
When was the Vodafone 511 launched? The Vodafone 511 was announced in 2007 December and its current status is discontinued. What size screen does the Vodafone 511 have? 1. 77 inches, approximately 19.9% screen-to-body ratio, is the screen size of Vodafone 511. What internal memory does the Vodafone 511 of Vodafone have? The Vodafone 511 has an internal memory of a capacity of 10 megabytes. What colors is the Vodafone 511 available in? The Vodafone 511 is available in the following colors: black. What weight does the Vodafone 511 have? How much does a Vodafone 511 weigh? The Vodafone 511 has a weight of 90 grams 3.17 ounces.